In a row sparked by two contradicting constitutional requirements, the Judicial Service Commission has now resolved to force out judges who have or are about to attain the age of 70. JSC's position is pegged on Article 167, Part 1 of the Constitution of Kenya, which sets the age of retirement of a judge as 70 years. In its latest circular, JSC now wants judges who have attained the age of 70 and have refused to retire and have moved to court to challenge the decision to be barred from hearing any cases pending the determination of their case.
This issue affects the administration of justice entirely. In fact, it can create a constitutional crisis.
Supreme Court Judge Philip Tunoi, who attained the age of 70 in June 2014, and his High Court counterpart David Onyancha, who turned 70 in June 2013, moved to court last year challenging the retirement order. The two argued that they were appointed judges before the promulgation of the new constitution, which set their retirement age at 74. Already, there are jitters that the Supreme Court is not properly constituted in accordance with the law since Rawal and Tunoi are past the required age. This means any decision made by the court and which the two judges participated in, or one that required a full bench, can be challenged and annulled.
Suppose they make a determination and a litigant decides that he is not going to be bound by that decision because as far as he is concerned, the cases were being determined by a person who is not a judge.
During a recent judges' retreat, Senior Counsel Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi argued that any decision the Supreme Court renders when Justice Tunoi participates in any proceedings before the court is not a decision of the Supreme Court of Kenya as per law established.
The way to go, in my view, is not to have circulars. The way to go is to have a deliberate move and ask for a fast tracking of these cases and get a final determination.
Deputy CJ Kalpana Rawal has also been given a notice to vacate office by January 15th next year as the JSC picks her replacement before her retirement date. JSC has already set in motion the replacement by advertising her position. Ken Dagor, Obadia Citizen Weekend.